Hello students, in today's EVS 2 period, we are going to see lesson number 2, that is work of the saints. In previous period, we have seen the first point of this lesson, that is Sri Chakrata Swami. And today we are going to see the information of Santa Namdev. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vittal. Here devotee means worshipper, means Bhakta we say. And this Namdev was a great devotee of Vittal. He lived in village Narasi. He composed numerous songs in praise of God. What he done see? He composed means wrote numerous songs means many songs in a praise of God. He performed kirtans everywhere and brought about general awakening among the people. Here kirtan means song and stories based on religious theme. Sant Namdev what done? He performed kirtans where everywhere, wherever he go, he performed the kirtans and brought about general awakening. Awakening means what? Awareness among the people. He brought about general awakening among the people or awareness he brought among the people. He moved all over Maharashtra to spread Bhagavad Dharma and taught the people deep devotion to God. Now here Bhagavad Dharma means what's here? Bhagavad Dharma means following the orders given in Bhagavad Gita. Means he moved all over Maharashtra for what reason? To spread Bhagavad Dharma and taught the people what? To have a deep devotion to God. Devotion means to pray. You pray to the God. He also taught the people deep devotion to God. He instilled in them the desire to protect their religion. Instill means establish in the mind of the people. What he established in the mind of the people? To protect their religion. Religion means what here? Dharma. Here religion means we say na, Hindu, Christian, Muslim. These are the religion, different religion. Sant Namdev later traveled all over India spreading the message of humanity. The humanity means what? Understanding and kindness towards other people, or we say in Marathi Manuski, means he spread the message humanity all over India. He traveled to the Punjab and spread the message of equality among the people there. Which message he spread in the Punjab? Message of equality. Equality means give equal treatment to all, or the state of being equal. He composed songs in Hindi. Even today, some of his verses means poem, are included in Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikh. Now, Sikh people's one holy book it is there, which is that Guru Granth Sahib. In that book also, some of the verses of the Sant Namdev, they are included. His songs are still sung all over Maharashtra with great love and devotion. Now we are going to see information of Santa Jnaneshwar. Santa Jnaneshwar's family belonged to Appegaon. Means Jnaneshwar's family live in Appegaon. Nivruttinath and Sopandev were his brothers. Muktabai was his sister. See students, Nivruttinath and Sopandev, they were the brothers of Jnaneshwar, and Jnaneshwar's sister is Muktabai. Bigoted men of the time used to look down upon the children because they were the offspring of a sannyasi. Here, bigoted means what, his children? Bigoted means a person who strongly and unfairly dislike other people idea or opinion. Means there are some people they dislike, otherwise they don't like the ideas of other people. That people are called bigoted. And like this bigoted people, they used to look down upon. Here, look down upon means to consider someone inferior. Offspring means children. Now, this bigoted men of the time means the time of the Jnaneshwar. What they do? They used to look down upon The children means Nivritinath, Jnaneshwar, Sopandev, Muktabai, the children because they were the offspring of sannyasi, means they were children of sannyasi. So they gave them less respect. Here sannyasi means a person who live without pleasures and luxuries for religious reasons. Means these sannyasi people they live a simple life and they live far away from the family. Jnaneshwar and his brothers and sister, they were the offspring of sannyasi. So this begotten men what they do? They used to look down upon the children. It happened like this. There is one incident. What happened? See, their father took sannyas and retired from worldly life. Here sannyas took means what? He started to live without pleasures and luxuries for the religious purpose. He retired from worldly life means what here? That only living without pleasure, luxuries, living far away from family. This is called retired from worldly life. Jnaneshwar's father took sannyas and as a sannyasi he left home. But later on, obeying the order of his guru, he returned home and started living with his wife. Their four children were born afterwards. Jnaneshwar's father, see what he has done. After marriage, he took sannyas. Now, after sannyas, he gave birth for the four children. The narrow minded religious leaders did not think it right that sannyas should have children. Here, narrow minded religious leaders may say the people who don't accept new ideas or new things, like these people's narrow minded, they did not think it right that sannyas should have children. People persecuted these children and banished them from their community. Here, persecuted means to treat cruelly, and banish means to send away. People persecuted. Why persecuted? Because this Jnaneshwar and their brother and sister they were the children of sannyasi. So these people banished them from their community, means from their group, from the society. They start to send them away. Today's homework. Which points I have taught in today's video, that points you have to read from history textbook. Thank you.